Testing of Fuji Differential Pressure Transmitter. The transmitter has been set to a calibration range of input signal from 600 to 0 mm H2O. For testing, we add a 24-volt DC power supply, a multimeter in order to measure the milliamp output, and some pressurized air as input signal, and a water column. By manipulating the input signal, we see that the unit reacts accordingly, and at 600 mm H2O, the output is 4 mA, and at 0 mm H2O, the output is 20 mA. It is now clear that the differential pressure transmitter is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.